I was working real hard before I got laid off, but I didn't mind that much because I knew I had enough weeks of working for to file my claim. Now I'm back in the ranks of the unemployed again, and it's U.I.C. standing in the long line. U.I.C. waiting for a check. U.I.C. thinking you're gonna have a great time, but 3 months later you're a nervous wreck. They're sending me extra, they're taking it back. Writing a letter saying come and see us, Jack. The looks of a counselor will make the flowers wilt. And when I'm on the pogey, I'm always full of guilt. And it's U.I.C. trying to enter trade school. U.I.C. looking for a new start. U.I.C. giving yourself for a fool as you're lighting the fireplace with your Bachelor of Arts. They say there's work in Edmonton and work in Montreal. Work digging graves and picking apples in the fall. Work's in the east and there's work in the west. But the best job of all is handing out the checks. And it's U.I.C. standing in the long line. U.I.C. hanging about. U.I.C. playing instead of changing, but I better finish now because my claim just ran out.